Samson Balogun Eletu, aka Sam Larry, is a suspect who was arrested on allegation of being complicit in the death, as well as in relation to the videos that have gone viral about bullying and assaults, which in some quarters we believe perhaps had any link with his eventual death. He was arrested, he's still in detention. Abdulaziz Fashola, aka Naira Marley, was also arrested and is still currently in detention for similar allegations.
Xposed ahwefo onim se ye nyina no mprempri no MOHBAD nsensema ekoso yi yeni edi ejire se kwan ye fa so a MOHBAD edi free atiasefo asase so no enye anafinso so no ye nyina nim se justice for MOHBAD nipa bonefo etai ni woni chi no de ye twa ne se yeni behu se we na ayesa adwumedi na asotwe a ese no ye de amaw enche bia ye na Lagos State Commissioner of Police released a press statement regarding the cause of MOHBAD's sudden death. A press conference in Adedi and Asabeto Edwa say MOHBAD was given 3 different kind of injunctions. Nurse no the man nurse the man no ana enam suma akofa ni wo no aba afenso mehu say on that day na programmer MOHBAD call there's on Sunday on in a downfall Ibrahim inim say friend prime boy no omo ntokwa no ma onyam krokro bi won ho anaso prepra nkitinkiti bi o no ho ntisi ya no nso ka prime suspect for no ansa na yenim Sam Larry issues koso ewo montem ne Naira Marley ni na they are all part of the suspect ntisi ya suspect no yenya nkrofo 5 yes suspect like right now the prime suspect no 5 nurse na o man ni no ana finsu so no nipa ko a o invite nurse now nurse ni buy no your friend was spending that was a dinner the boy no spending ono so ka prime suspect for no so right now is the nurse, the spending guy, prime boy, Sam Larry and Naira Marley anhwemu no dan ho a ekoso omo boana nhwemu no akoso na see how many suspects now more na Adam Crawford so eka ho hospital ko ayede no ekoye baby okowu ye no hospital ko ayede no ekoye onomo no omom wo no so mpenifo na wo no so no omo ka ho bi program no okoye no so no they invite you to program no they organize the program no there's a Crawford can still can one man they are helping in the investigation therefore you go share video no embra.
5 suspects have so far been identified, arrested, and detained and interrogated on their alleged roles in the sequence of events that led to the death of this singer. The summary is as follows. Miss Feyi Sayo Ogedengbe is the auxiliary nurse who was contacted and invited by Yobani Sadiq, aka Spending, a friend of MOHBAD, on 11 September 2023 to treat the singer at the deceased residence in Lekki. She eventually came on Tuesday, 12 September 2023 and administered 3 different injections, which are believed to have occasioned the chain of reactions that directly resulted in the eventual death of the singer. She is the principal suspect in the death of MOHBAD. She acknowledged that it was the injections that she administered on the deceased that triggered the reactions which eventually led to MOHBAD's death. Other expert opinions and witnesses' statements corroborated her admittance. Her actions of administering doses of tetanus toxoid, paracetamol, intravenous, and ceftriaxone injection, which was also administered intravenous on MOHBAD at his residence, that's MOHBAD's residence, on 12 September 2023, immediately triggered the reactions, including vomiting, goosebumps, and convulsions, that eventually resulted in the singer's death. This criminal liability is further heightened, granted the evidential fact that as an auxiliary nurse, she is not qualified to administer such medications or function as a qualified nurse. She also did this in a non-clinical environment and in a professionally negligent manner that negated standard medical protocols. 2. Mr. Yobami Sodiq, aka Spending. Sodiq is a friend to MOHBAD, who invited the auxiliary nurse to treat the deceased. He is being suspected of conspiracy in the death of the singer. His action in inviting a person known to him as an auxiliary nurse to attend to the deceased under a non-clinical setting occasioned MOHBAD's death. He is being held for conspiracy to commit felony. Ibrahim Oluwatosin Owodoni, aka Cry Boy. He is a childhood friend of MOHBAD. He attended the show at Ikorodu in MOHBAD's company on 10 September 2023. At the end of the show, MOHBAD and Ibrahim were engaged in a violent fight, during which MOHBAD was injured. The management of the injury subsequently resulted in his death. So he's being treated as a suspect. Samson Balogun Eletu, aka Sam Larry, is a suspect who was arrested on allegation of being complicit in the death, as well as in relation to the videos that have gone viral about bullying and assaults, which in some quarters we believe perhaps had any link with his eventual death. He was arrested, he's still in detention. Abdulaziz Fashola, aka Nairamadi, was also arrested and is still currently in detention for similar allegations.
Yeah, the for press conference a course on winning sema omode ababe tuja. E den aka for sanse man say wadwin e fa semi hu e den. And the wife ni momu na ngfo brika say she's a prime suspect, you know. I think say yeah amboni do they only said she's helping the police she's helping the police with the investigations, yeah. But I don't know, send ba ku sibiano e hon media ni edi echire. That was bringing now no share Xposed now Xposed. Now make our say subscribe so like on yeah. Now if you like na share Xposed GS in the other phone so be hu dia e koso e wo on my mo. Aha na mdimbo si makra mu nyina bye bye.